Hi, my name is Katie Williams. I'm the asset head for the media manufacturing group at the Walkersville site. So my team produces powder and liquid media. So that consists of many things. It consists of weighing chemicals, and we have big equipment to blend and mill chemicals for our powders. We also do large liquid bulk media formulations, and then we have a team that aseptically fills those medias in clean rooms. And then the last piece of that is that we have the actual final packaging piece. So the labeling and boxing of the media we produce in bottles, bags, vials. We have a very dynamic portfolio. So always the team is making something different for our customers. Um, so we are comprised of a large team. We have managers, we have supervisors, manufacturing associates with different expertise. And then we also have technical roles that are new to this group, and they are roles that are focused on supporting the process and leading process improvement initiatives. The media team has a large journey to go of really improving a lot of things. We brought in these roles to really take our performance and make our processes better, and sort of take those to the next level. So I was going to share a little bit today with you about my personal journey, just to kind of show that there are a lot of really good growth and development opportunities at Lonza. So I have actually worked for Lonza for almost 16 years. As Fred alluded to, I am a lifelong Frederick County resident, grew up on a dairy farm, hence the chocolate milk. So, it was really, I went to school locally as well. So it was really great to have a company such as Lonza, that I could, live locally and continue to work close by. So I actually, I joined Lonza in R&D as a research associate. And I will say 20 years ago, when I started my career, which I started at the National Cancer Institute, I really had no clue what else I could do with a degree in the science field. So I kind of had myself set on being in the lab for the rest of my life. And then I came to Lonza and I was like, wow, there's so much more to all the science stuff than just sitting in the lab and, doing experiments. And, I will say my experience is that, if I was very eager to learn and take on new things. And so I was always willing to sign up for something that was maybe outside of my role or outside of my group. And it really gave me that exposure, to show what potential I had to others. So after about 5 years in R&D, I actually moved into the operational excellence. I had the opportunity to get both my green belt and my black belt through Lonza. And in doing those, I also got to travel to some of the other Lonza sites, such as the site in Switzerland, which is awesome. So I did in operational excellence. I worked both as a project manager, and then I even had the opportunity to lead the team and join the site leadership team. I did a little in between there. I also did a role in supply chain as well. And then about 2019, I ended up in this asset head role, which is my favorite role since I've been here. And I'd almost say probably my dream job, the 14 or so years leading up to it. One of the greatest things, and one of the reasons I stay at Lonza, is the people. And it's both the local culture at the Walkersville site, but also the global network. And I've really had the opportunity to be able to, grow my relationships both at the site and globally. And for a little farm girl, right, that's been pretty exciting for me to be able to travel various places and meet all kinds of new people. The people at the site are just really wonderful. They're genuine, they care about each other, they support each other, and quite frankly, they're the most tenacious group of people I've ever met. The site has been through a lot, and they just keep chugging along, and it honestly feels like family at the site every day when I go there, despite everything that we go through. One of the most exciting things about working at Lonza is the constant ability to take on a new challenge, right? So I can honestly tell you I've never been bored in my 16 years at Lonza. There's always something new, and if you don't have something inside your role, there's plenty of other opportunities that you can raise your hand and say, I'd like to participate in that. So the opportunities are really limitless if you want to work hard and enjoy trying things, different things, and putting yourself out there. Some of the other, so a little bit about media. So back when I was in operational excellence, I got the opportunity to really focus on supporting the media team. And I will tell you, this team has always had a very special place in my heart. I think my team pretty much knows that about me as well. And it was interesting because back then, when I'm just this person that they didn't know show up on the floor, hey, I'm going to help you fix your process. They were a little, unsure about me, and they were a little bit, slow to trust me. And and this speaks a lot for the people. I knew I had finally made it to their inner circle when they sang me happy birthday over the loudspeaker in finishing. I was pretty embarrassed, but I thought, you know what? I think I've connected with this team. And I will say ever since then, I wanted to be a part of this team, and I'm, very excited to be with them now. I have seen this team go, whether I was leading them or not, go through many changes and challenges, both from a people and a process perspective. We have a really solid foundation of a team right now, and we're actively working on some plans, right, focused on our people and our customer focus, building stronger relationships with our cross-functional, our support groups, and really, wanting to work together to sort of take things to the next level. It is a very dynamic and fast-paced environment, but and we work hard, but we really enjoy and have fun doing it, and we enjoy working hard together. I am extremely honored to lead this team, and I'm very committed to this team, both to make their day-to-day easier, right, and to seeing individual team members grow and being able to take on new challenges at Lonza like I have. So if being a part of the media's journey intrigues you, please feel free to reach out to me. We have all kinds of positions open right now, from supervisor to manufacturing associates to the process ops specialists. And it's a very exciting time. And I always like having new people on the team with new ideas, new fresh perspectives to help point out things so we can make our day-to-day better.